Dutch here with April's Ipsy versus Sephora Play. So for the past few months, Sephora Play has been disappointing me, so we'll see what it is this month. If you guys don't know, both of them are makeup subscription boxes. Ipsy is $10 a month, no tax, no shipping, straight up $10 a month, and you get good size samples and sometimes full size things, brushes, all sorts of different things. You can set up what you like and what you don't like, and every month you can rate what you got, and hopefully they don't send you that color, shade, tool, whatever it is that you got that you don't like. Sephora Play is also $10 a month, but they add tax, so it ends up being almost $12 a month. So let's start off with, say hi to Juliet, start off with Ipsy. Both subscriptions you get a makeup bag with. Ipsy you usually get a better makeup bag with. Sephora Play, it's usually just like a little satchel looking thing. Alright, so this month's Ipsy is butterflies. This one's cute. I like this bag. Alright, let's see what we have inside. Alright, so first thing, we get the card. Social butterfly. Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. It's true. Alright, so we've got a brush. Glamour Dolls brush. Nice brush. I love getting tools. I love getting brushes. It makes it so I don't have to clean any of my brushes. I can just throw them away and use another one. But I love the brushes. They're super soft. Good, good. I love getting tools. All right, let's see what this is. Brio Geo Rosarco milk. Okay, you guys can probably pronounce this better than I can. It is reparative leave-in conditioning spray. I do love leave-in conditioners, so I am actually really excited to try this. I think this is the first leave-in conditioner I've gotten from Ipsy. I do like getting hair products. I have been subscribing to Ipsy probably for almost 2 years now. I haven't had to really buy any makeup because I get enough of what I need in my Ipsy bags. So, alright, so leave-in conditioner. Let's see what else we have. Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm, enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Let's see what this smells like. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad. Kind of like any normal chapstick, but a lip balm. My bad, lip balm. Alright, what else do we have? Let's see. Ciate of London. I love this brand. Juliet. I love Ciate of London. I found them through Ipsy. I love their products. So I'm happy to see a Ciate of London. And it is Starstruck Stamp Eyeliner Stamp. Looks like it's got 2 stamp and eyeliner duo. Alright, so it's a duo eyeliner pan. I don't know what the stamp does, but we'll have to play with that and see. Alright, what else is in here? There's one last thing in here. Dirty Little Secret. Nude Beach. Let's see what this is. Juliet knocking everything over. Alright. Oh, it is a lip gloss. See, these are shades that I like. I don't like the reds. Sephora Play sends me all these like reds and purples, and I hate them. I always put down that I like natural normal colors. So that one's pretty. I'm wearing lip gloss right now, so I don't... Oh, it smells good. I might, like, this is the stuff that you'll just lick off your lips because it probably tastes really good too. You can't really tell just because I'm wearing lip gloss right now, but I like it. I like the shade. It's not coming off dark, which I really like. All right, so yep, that's it. In Ipsy this month, you've got the lip gloss, you've got the lip balm. I don't know why it's all blurry right now. There we go. Got the leave-in conditioner. We have got the Duo eyeliner stamp pen and the brush. So there is Ipsy's haul for April. Now, let's see what Sephora Play has to offer. With Sephora Play, you get this little thing that explains all the stuff that you're getting, plus a card that gives you 50 bonus play points when you go purchase stuff at Sephora. So that is one nice thing. Now here is the makeup bags that come with the Ipsy Play. Like I said, they're just like a little sack thing, drawstring sack. Says make it snappy. All right, let's see what we've got this time. Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. All right, you see all those colors? Please, Sephora, do not send me a dark color. Let us see what we've got in here. Oh, it's actually not a dark color. It's hard to see in here. But there is, it's like a light pink. And it's got the shade you're holding, SPL. So all these others have like all these names, and the shade that it gives me is SPL. So it is like a pink color, so I'm happy about that. All right, let's see what else we've got. Makeup Forever, really good brand. Ultra HD Perfector. Let me get the box open. All right. Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen, SPF 25. All right, hopefully it could be a good shade. Might be a little dark, but blending. Add a little lotion and it lightens it up, so that's good. Makeup Forever is a really good brand, so happy about that one. All right, let's see here. This is Miu Miu Eau de Toilette. It's a perfume. A lot of times they send different perfume samples. Let's see. It's very flowery. I'm not a big fan of flowery, but it's not too heavy. It's a little heavy. I don't know if I would wear that. All right, Fresh Lotus. Blueberry. Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Seaweed Radiance Facial. I can smell this perfume right now. I don't know if I'll be able to smell this. Let's see. Doesn't smell the best. But hopefully that's because I can smell the perfume still too. So there is a seaweed mask. What else is in here? Ooh. Okay, so I've gotten this before. I can't remember if I got it in Ipsy, Sephora Play, or I've got one of those Target beauty boxes once before. I can't remember which one I got this in, but I love this. So I'm super happy, and mine's that I've used is almost gone. So I'm very, very happy. This Bye Bye Press Pores stuff is awesome. I love this stuff. So I'm super happy about that. One more thing in the bag. We have got Skin to Die For Peter Thomas Roth. No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. Alright. So, I like mattifying stuff. I don't like stuff that's shiny. Oh, it's got the little thing. All I can smell is that perfume right now. I should not have put it on. Oh, I have all these boxes. Alright, so, with Sephora Play, we've got the mattifying primer. We've got the awesome Bye Bye Pores. We've got the mask. We've got the semi-stinky now perfume, just because I can still smell it. We've got the, finally, a shade that I can do lip gloss. And the HD Perfector, the Makeup Forever. So, I will say that Sephora Play fixed itself this month. I am actually happy, except for the perfume, but with the actual makeup stuff, I'm actually happy of what they got this month. It is actually a close call of which I like better. Juliet's going crazy. Between the Ipsy and the Sephora. God, I don't even know. It's like a tie this month. So, I don't think one is actually better than the other. So, I am actually super happy with both of them. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave me a comment under this video. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page. Check out Dutch Reviews. There will be a link under this video for my Facebook page. And you can always leave me suggestions there and comments and let me know what you guys want to see in future. If you want to see more of Juliet, I can just put her on camera because everybody seems to love Juliet. And I will see you later. Bye.